Welcome to day 13 of the AI Marketer. Want to fill your content calendar in minutes instead of weeks? Let's bulk create blog titles and outlines using AI. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and prompt. Give me 10 blog title ideas for your niche that are SEO friendly and engaging. Boom! Instant content ideas. Step 2. Take those titles and plug them into phrase.io or Jasper. They'll auto-generate outlines for each one, including headings, intro ideas, and even CTAs. Step 3. Use Surfer SEO to refine them further by adding target keywords and search intent. Organize all your titles and outlines in Notion or Google Sheets for a clean workflow. Bonus, use BuzzSumo to analyze trending titles in your niche and feed them back into AI for remixes. With just one session, you can plan an entire month of blog content. Subscribe now, because day 14 will show you how to turn these outlines into full SEO blogs with AI.